Let me begin by telling you a story about my beautiful niece named Emma. She's a very cheerful and playful little girl who loves to run around the house. Now, her favorite show is Paw Patrol, and there's literally nothing you can do to stop her from watching her favorite show. But this was not the case 3 years ago. I remember standing right next to her bed with my wife at the NICU. She was asleep, struggling to breathe, and she had just undergone a surgery. She has arterioventricular canal defect, a problem of the heart that connects the upper and the bottom chamber, and this makes the heart pumps the blood weaker. And this is a very common symptom amongst individuals with Down syndrome. Yes, Emma, my beautiful niece, has Down syndrome. In every cell of our body contains a list of information that makes us us, and this information is stored in the form of the DNA. Now, these strings of information, around 3 billion of them, will then be compressed into 46 tiny packages called the chromosomes. Normally, both parents would pass on their genes onto their children carried in these tiny chromosomes, and each cell is supposed to carry 23 pairs of chromosomes each, 23 coming from the father and 23 coming from the mother. Individuals with Down syndrome would have problems with this. One of the chromosomes does not separate properly, and the baby will end up with an extra copy or a portion of chromosome number 21. And this extra copy could potentially lead to the features and the health conditions that are apparent in Down syndrome individuals, just like the ones seen in my beautiful niece Emma. And there are 3 categories of Down syndrome. The first and the most common one is trisomy 21, where there is a whole set of chromosome 21 in each and every single cell in the body. Next, we have mosaicism, where a child is born with an extra chromosome in some, but not all of their cells. And finally, we have translocation, where the children will have a normal set of 46 chromosomes, but however, one of those chromosomes would have an extra piece of chromosome 21 attached. Now, we can talk about the science of chromosomes and Down syndrome for hours, listing all the complications. But do we really know Down syndrome? Do we really understand Down syndrome individuals? I would prefer to share the story of my niece, Emma, who lit up our lives every single day just because she has Down syndrome. Thank you very much.